Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's doing a trade recap or talking to with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value here in this video. So I'll go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going to try to pick up some shares here at 47.51 on this pullback. So DOCU got the breakout and just seeing if it wants to come back down here, but that might have been the move. So it did drop back down, but didn't drop down low enough to get me filled. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that order out. So on that one, never mind. But market's been open here for only 3 minutes, so no need to rush anything. Well, never any need to rush anything, but point being, still plenty of time. So I'll go ahead and pause. Never mind on that one. I'm going to try to get short here at 113. Nope, I already missed that one. So a little slow this morning, not only movement-wise, but from an execution standpoint. Well, and I take that back. The first one was not me being slow. It's just the price didn't come down to where I wanted it. Tesla all over the place right now. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 179.25 in there, short. So for you beginners out there, short meaning I want to see prices come down. So again, I'm in at 179.25. So took off 50 shares there. Very well could still be a losing trade, but wanted to lock in at least some gains. So took off another 50 there. Still have 200 shares. Try to take off some more down at 85. I got those. Looking to try to get some more off. Let me do that right there. So still have 100 shares left. And this could very well be the bottom of this little consolidation range. So that's why I'm potentially going to get a little bit more greedy. The longer it hesitates, the less trust I have. So still have, I'm going to go ahead and take it good there. So there's $350 on that trade. Nothing fancy, but got the job done. 171. No. I like it here, but I don't like it on the 5-minute time frame. Seems a bit too overextended, so I'm going to go ahead and pass on that. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. But yes, off to a slow start, but then all of a sudden, just that one trade worked out nicely. And I mean, that entire trade, if you look at the timestamps, let me bring up the marker here for those of you that are maybe not. Let me pause. There we go. I'm back. So I mean, right there, you can see I got in at 9:51.35, and then exited finally at not finally, but ended at 9:53.04. So less than 3 minutes there. So I mean, sometimes all you need is 3 minutes. You can start slow, but you just need 3 minutes, and that's where always remind yourself, if you're starting, not that I was frustrated, but if you're starting to feel what's going on? I'm not finding anything, or I can't get filled, or I just can't quite. You don't need a lot of time, or from a day trading perspective, that is, right? So, but that can be extrapolated out to any sort of ratio. You don't need a lot of time. It's worth it to be picky, to wait, because when you wait for the setups that you like, then as you saw here, you're not going to need a lot of time to all of a sudden turn a profit. So in this situation, all I needed was 3 minutes. Sometimes all you need is 3 minutes. Maybe sometimes all you need is 30 minutes. Maybe sometimes all you need is 30 seconds. Everybody's strategy is different, but I understand the feeling. I've been there many times before, where you're not getting anything, you're not really seeing anything, you're not getting filled. Maybe you're too slow on an entry, and then you can start to, but you know what? It just takes one, and when you wait for your setup, as you saw here, it's not going to require a whole bunch of time. I am glad that I did not take the 171, again, based on the 5 minute, because not that it'd be a losing trade yet, but yeah, it's definitely starting to bounce around here a little bit. So, but yeah, like I said, sometimes all you need is 3 minutes. And with that being said, I'm going to wrap it up. It's almost 9 or 10 o'clock. And for those of you that are beginners, I do what's called the be done in 30 approach, which meaning on average, I want to be done after right around 30 minutes, because this is one stream of income for me amongst many, or side hustle, whatever you want to call it. And I do this because I want the freedom of time. I want the freedom to go and do with my time whatever I see fit. So if I realize that I could make more if I stayed around, of course I could lose, but point here being is, everybody's different, right? I have 5 kids. I want to be able to spend as much time with them, with my real estate business, with my teaching business. I just want flexibility of time. That is my main currency that I am chasing now, is flexibility of time. Now, if you're out there and what you're chasing is a private jet or a Lamborghini or a Rolex watch, cool, go for it. I hope you get it. I really do. But like I said, for me personally, I'm after that commodity of flexibility of time. So that's why, I'm looking to be done on average. Sometimes I'm done longer than 30 minutes. Sometimes I'm done even shorter. But at the end of the day, if I can put $350 in my pocket in under 30 minutes, I'm going to take that all day long, because I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make that sort of money. I would certainly never go up to somebody that makes minimum wage and say, I made $350 in under 30 minutes. I'm not very happy about it, right? That would be just the most asinine thing you could ever say to that person. But so I'm going to wrap it up. And like I said, learning lesson. Sometimes it just takes 3 minutes. So just be patient with whatever you're doing and be picky, stick with your strategy, because when you do stick with your strategy, when you do get the sorts of setups that you like, then, it doesn't take very long at all, and it's worth the wait. Maybe that'll be the title of the video. We'll see. Maybe it's worth the wait. But overall, thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button and leave a simple comment down below. Everybody, thanks. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.